Every day around the world, 150 people die of rabies, a disease that is completely preventable.
Sabi nga po ng doktor, baka gutom na pagka malambuto kasi payat yung braso.
Nagtatawanan yan.
Number 12, blue. Number 12, blue. Room 3 po.
Ano ginawa mo, iho, doon sa aso?
Naglalakad lang po ako, bigla po akong hinabol, tapos sinunggaban po.
Hindi mo ba siya binutan,
Hindi
yung
po.
tinadyo-tudyo?
Hindi po.
Nakatali ba siya?
Nakawala po.
Bibo's family has been advised to observe One Eye for the next 2 weeks for rabies symptoms like disorientation and aggression.
Hello, One Eye. Hello. Buksan mo ang pinto, Sunny. Sunny.
Hello! Hello!
Dito na lang po.
Kukunan lang naman nila.
Oh, behave.
Buhay ang aso ngayon. Huwag papatayin ng hayop. Lahat ng obserbahan sa aso, pati sa pasyente. Babasahin, ha? Tapos, sa kanya, category 3 yan. Pinakamataas na kategorya sa mga nakakagat ng aso at pusa. Pag sinabi natin category 3, ang tinatanggap 2 klase ng bakuna laban sa rabies. Ito, 4 na beses siyang babakunahan.
When you are bitten by a rabid dog, the virus stays first at the site of the bite, and then it travels to your central nervous system. Once it reaches your brain, then that's when you have the symptoms. It's 100% fatal. Once you have the symptoms, no, there's nothing you can do. But it's also 100% preventable.
So, magkano po ba yung Eric nyo? Hindi nyo afford?
Baka po hindi po kayanin gawa ng kailangan papuntahin daw po kaya.
The state pays for the first rabies treatment. But to be certain Bibo does not get rabies, he needs 3 more post-exposure injections, and these are expensive. Many people cannot afford these life-saving treatments.
People die of the disease because they're poor. One of the priorities of research is to bring this burden to the forefront and convince international leaders that this is something that is manageable.
Rambo!
It's this kind of approach, central place vaccination, where people are alerted days ahead of time, both by loudspeaker and by leaflets, and they voluntarily bring their dogs here with volunteers who will vaccinate them. And so it's a win-win for the community, for the people, for the dogs as a whole.
Okay, sige. Good dog. Ganyan lang eh. See? Tapos na. Tapos na.
Today is the second of 4 scheduled visits.
Yung normally po, 4 doses po yun. Pero yung pang 4th dose po, depende po kung buhay or patay yung aso. 14 days after po siya makagat. Kung sa April 21, buhay yung aso, kahit wala na po tong May.
Wala na po siyang masakit. Hindi na po siya nasakit. Kaya ko na rin po siyang ituwid.